Steve's not here.
No shorts.
Steve's not here.
If anybody needs to borrow equipment, somebody's lacking something, come see Kent, myself, Bill DeMore. We'll get you set up with whatever you need, one way or another. All right, on track. The start's going to be an arm drop. Kent, how are you going to do the start?
Just drop a hand.
Okay, just give me drop a hand at the start. 4 bikes on track at a time. No passing in the woods section of the track. All right, that's all.
Okay, here comes Carson. Looking good, Bob. Good, first race.
Hey, Paul.
Whiskey throttle. Here we come out of the first corner. It looks like the whole shot is going to Eric Cox. Oh, Lucy by MK bringing up his Palma. Come on, Lisa. Todd Steinway in the Greek bringing up form. Brian Cox bringing up the rear right now. Oh no! Oh, he made it.
Oh, he's passing. Come on, Chris.
Big flag. And the whole shot goes to Eric Cox.
Come on, babe.
Long pussy by Paula.
Come on, babe. Stay back, Carson.
Mom!